Hello everyone, and welcome to our acrylic painting tutorial, brought to you by Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we'll create a beautiful floral painting step by step, perfect for beginners. Please pause here to check out the materials you'll need for this project. You can also find a materials list in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1. Background base. Begin by squeezing a few drops of purple, yellow ochre, and white acrylic paint onto your palette. Dip the tip into each color using a flat brush, ensuring it's evenly coated but not overloaded. Then, apply the paint onto the canvas in one direction using long, vertical strokes. Start from one edge and work your way across, maintaining consistent pressure on the brush. Lightly drag the brush back and forth to blend the colors. Layer additional coats if necessary to achieve the desired opacity and depth of color. Step 2. Painting leaves. Now, let's mix sap green, light green, and burnt umber on your palette. Partially mix them to create varying shades of green for your leaves. Using a small palette knife, dip the edge into the paint. Gently press and drag the edge onto the canvas to form the shapes of leaves. Experiment with different angles and pressures to vary the shapes and textures of the leaves. Switch between green and burnt umber to create variation among the leaves. Step 3. Gold and silver flowers. For the flowers, take gold paint and directly dip a palette knife into the jar to pick up the paint. Apply thick paint with the palette knife by pressing onto the canvas to stamp color down and create petal-like structures. Experiment with pressure and angle to create different petal shapes and textures. Add more flowers, varying the size, shape, and color to create a natural and dynamic composition. Repeat the process with silver paint for additional flowers. There is no perfect place to put these details, so add them as you see here or as you wish. It's okay to pause this video in order to complete this step, just come back to it when you're ready. You're doing a great job. Keep following this technique to create more flowers. It's okay to switch between gold and silver paint as needed. Step 4. Adding details. Load the tip of the knife with crimson and apply a dot of paint in the center of each flower. Then, make random stems and twigs connected with the flowers with a liner or detailing brush. Finally, add a white dot at the upper ends of the twigs to complete the floral textured painting. And there you have it, your beautiful floral acrylic painting is complete. Remember to experiment and have fun with different colors and techniques. Thanks for painting along with us. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more painting content like this.